Hey, good morning, traders, and welcome to the Next Way Trading. My name is Lester, and today I have this indicator that I mentioned in my previous video to get this type of signals for your own trading sessions. Remember, this is only if you open a new account with pocket option using our link. What you have to do is delete cookies and cache. Make your first deposit with pocket option using this file to send me your details, and you're gonna receive this indicator for binary options. You receive actually many type of signals. For example, this can be used for trading forex. If you want to receive the signal for buy, put your stop loss below of the previous candlestick. Your take profit is going to be, I don't know, 1 of 5, 1 of 6, maybe 1 to 1, maybe 1 to 3. You're going to have amazing results with this one. The OTC market looks very good. I don't have the video yet to show you how to install your OTC market in your MetaTrader 4 or MT5. But this is a good, amazing strategy and indicator for binary options. What is the benefits to using the indicator for this indicator for MT4 or MT5 in this case? You can receive your alerts in your cell phone. So you receive your alert and put your trade. This is gonna make it more simple, everything for you. If you are working, if you are hanging out, you can have this. You can open these trades just with a simple notification in your cell phone and put your trade for binary options or forex. Anyways, for binary options, trade for 3 minutes or 5 minutes following the direction of the signal. Buy signal 3 minutes, sell signal 3 minutes. Sometimes we have losses. Obviously, this is part of the trading, but most of the time we are gonna have amazing results with this strategy for binary options, with this indicator for binary options and for forex too. So what do you have to do? Remember, go to the link below this video, open your account with pocket option, make your first deposit, file this form is below of this video too, send me your information, add your screenshot of your make your first deposit, put your ID number, and I'm gonna send to you this file to receive signals on your cell phone for binary options. Works in OTC. If you have the OTC market in your MT4 or MT5, you can install it. I have the OTC here, but it's not working. I don't know why, but I'm gonna search more information about this. I'm gonna make a video how to install your OTC market, maybe for the future, but right now you can use it with normal market too. And if you want to use the MT4 for pocket option or MT5 for pocket option, just go to pocket option and select what platform are you looking for, the real account for MT5 or demo account for MT5, and there is gonna appear your credentials. So just log in here and you're gonna have the MT4 or MT5. So today we don't have a live trading station, but I'm gonna share with you my free binary options signals group, and it's open every single day in the morning and the night. I start working in the New York market and Asian market too, so we have 2 schedules to be part of this binary options signals group. In a few days I'm gonna share with you my trading stations lives too inside. So I really hope so this video like it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, activate the notification bell, and see you on the next one.